Cruise protocols, they are changing every day, last minute. You never know when the cruise protocols are going to change, or maybe you're not even sure if they have changed. And we're going to get into all what you can do about that right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Today is day 10. 10 more days till our next cruise, provided they don't make any more protocol changes. Because, man, they are sometimes making it harder and harder to get on a cruise ship. And that's why today's cruise tip is going to be: make sure you are familiar with your cruise ship protocols, health and safety protocols, and what exactly you are going to need when you get to the cruise port, because it is changing just like it already has this week. So you may have already heard that Carnival Cruise Lines has reduced their testing time from 3 days prior to sailing down to 2 days prior to sailing, starting on September the 13th, and this was just announced yesterday. So we sail on September the 13th, which means we are affected by this protocol change. So we had to scramble, move very quickly, get our COVID test moved from the Friday before we sail to the Saturday before we sail, to make sure we were within that 2-day window and hopefully can still get our results back on time. But it is an important lesson. No matter what cruise line you are sailing on, no matter when you are going on a cruise, but especially if it is here in 2021, I highly recommend that you go at least several times a week. Go over to your cruise line's website and read their health and safety protocols. Look for any changes. Look for any updates. Yes, the cruise lines will normally send you an email and say, hey, this change is coming. Carnival sent me one about the testing change. But don't always count on them being the ones to let you know. Make sure you are doing your part. Go to the cruise line's website and verify everything. Double check everything. Reread everything. And don't be one of these poor individuals who gets to the cruise port and then says, well, I didn't know I needed that. Please don't let that be you. You then miss your cruise. You do not get to enjoy your vacation. And you are headed back home before the day has even started. So please don't let that be you. So that is our cruise tip of today. Double check your cruise line's health and safety protocols and make sure you are prepared for your next cruise. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, do me a favor. Let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas in 10 more days.